Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. After we calculate the trend values, normally the questions will ask you to estimate the seasonal values. We will be using the same example before. For question A, we did answer in the previous video. So question B, find the seasonal index and comments on the each value obtained. Look at your screen. This is the answer for question A, the values of trend. We will be continue to answer question B from here. Step 1. Find the seasonal variation for each term Y over T. Our Y is number of reject items while our T is trend. The first line, Y over T, 202 divided by 305.3333, the answer is 0.6616. Proceed to second line, 199 divided by 225, the answer is 0.8844. Continue to calculate the values of Y over T until the last line 387 divided by 377. The answer is 1.0265. So class, the green color column is our seasonal variations values. Next, step 2. Tabulate each Y over T according to the respective term as shown in the table on the screen. Step 3. Sum of all the mean for each term. Look at your term 1. You have two values over there, 1.1660 and 1.1019. Sum up these two values and then divide by 2. The answer is 1.1340. For the second term, you have three values, 0.6616 plus 0.9330 plus 1.0265. Since you have three values, so you have to divide the summation by 3 and the answer is 0.8737. For the third term, how to calculate our mean? 0.8844 plus 0.8612 divide by 2 and answer is 0.8728. On your screen is all our three terms mean. Now moving on to step number 4. You have to check whether your summation of mean is equal to the number of term. So, in this case, if the answer is yes, you have to stop the calculation. So, your seasonal index equal to mean times 100. But, if your summation of mean is not equal to the number of term, you have to find the correction factor or CF. The formula is number of quarter or number of term divided by summation of all mean. Okay class, are you ready? Stand by your calculator please. Sum up all the three means 1.1340 plus 0.8730 plus 0.8728. The answer is 2.8805. Uh-oh, the answer is not equal to the number of term. So, what should we do class? Yes, correct. We have to find the value of correction factor. So, how many terms? 3. 3 divided by our total mean which is 2.8805 and the answer is 1.0415. After we have calculated the correction factor, now it's time to calculate the seasonal index. So, how to calculate the seasonal index for term 1? The answer is our mean, which is 1.1340 times with our correction factor. So the answer is 1.1810. This value you have to times with 100. So the answer is 118.10. Same goes for the seasonal index for term 2. Mean is 0.8737 times with our correction factor, the answer is 0.91 and then times with 100, the value is 91.0. Last but not least, our third term. The mean is 0.8728 times with the correction factor. The answer is 0.9090. This value times with 100. So our seasonal index is 19.90. So class, this is the answer for our seasonal index values. But don't forget, the question also asks us to comment on the values obtained. Now, let's see on how to comment on the values obtained. For seasonal index term 1, the answer is 118.10. This value is greater than 100, so the items is above the trend by 18.10%. For seasonal index term 2, the value obtained is 91.0. This value is lower than 100, so the items is below the trend by 9%. How did we get 9%? Yes, 100 minus 91. Same goes for seasonal index term 3. The value is 90.90, means for terms 3, the items is below the trend by 9.10%. 100 minus 90.9. Alhamdulillah, we can answer the questions well. Here is the summarization on how to find the seasonal index. You can pause the video to read all the steps. Thank you for joining our class today. See you in the next video. Bye.